Local content's most trusted construction management companies. Construction management companies help deliver successful building and infrastructure projects by coordinating planning, budgeting, scheduling, procurement, quality control, safety, and project execution. From commercial real estate, healthcare, education, and manufacturing facilities to energy, utilities, transportation, and public infrastructure, these companies bring together owners, architects, engineers, contractors, and suppliers to deliver projects safely, efficiently, and on time. But not every construction management company and its local supplier, workforce, and community partners deliver the same value. For project owners, developers, government agencies, utilities, investors, architects, engineers, and contractors, choosing the right construction management partner requires more than technical expertise. The most trusted companies demonstrate leadership in project delivery, safety, responsible procurement, regulatory readiness, local supplier participation, workforce development, and measurable community benefits. Before selecting a construction management partner, ask 3 important questions. How will this project create opportunities for local suppliers and small businesses? What measurable workforce and community benefits will this investment deliver? How will your company engage local stakeholders and demonstrate its community impact? While every project is unique, the answers reveal whether a company is simply managing construction or creating lasting value for the communities it serves. Local content is the measurable economic value created through local suppliers, local workforce, and community benefits. Local Content's Most Trusted Construction Management Companies list, part of the Local Content Most Trusted Companies program, recognizes organizations that complete additional due diligence, demonstrating leadership in project management, responsible procurement, workforce development, stakeholder engagement, and measurable local economic impact. Explore the Local Content Most Trusted Construction Management Companies list and learn how to earn Local Content certification by visiting localcontent.com/list.